Let's diagnose this idle issue on the pickup. So, went and got cheap Harbor Freight multimeter. We're gonna test the ohms on the MAF. See what that's reading out at. So it's supposed to be 2.5 to 3.1 on terminals 2 and 3. You would fall down like that, you little fucker. We're at 3.3, so I think my math is bad. So we're trying to diagnose this weird idle issue on my truck. It stalls out. So we're checking the throttle position sensor. So it looks like we're a little below spec according to the 240 service manual. I think it's supposed to be 2 ohms closed and about 10 open, and we're 8.3. So I don't know if maybe I should try to adjust it or if my TPS is bad.